Okay, fine. I'm recording.
Damn, that's a bright light.
Sucks to be you.
Alright, we're gonna do this.
Oh, God. Oh.
I guess this is only fair. Not very attractive, but let's just do it.
Yep, here we go. This is great. I'm really happy that this is happening. Yep, there goes the pants.
Definitely should turn this off. On.
So far this video's a success.
It's pretty cool outside.
You think so?
There's a lot of snow.
Oh, there goes the pants. Yep, Peter Kerr with all his glory right here. Yeah,
We're gonna
it's
follow
cool
me
out
outside
there.
for this.
Yeah, right.
Dude, you have to follow me outside for
Okay.
this.
I have no shoes
Go
on.
put some shoes on. Or just don't be a pussy and just walk outside.
I'm not gonna walk out. You jump right there. I'm gonna.
Right there.
I'll stand out of the snow.
Dude, it doesn't even look like it's snowing anymore. Alright, it's coming
Yeah,
down.
fuck you.
Woo! Here we go! Yeah! Ah!
Oh my God.
Woo! Yeah! Phil, I'm expecting a lot of you right now, but you got this, right?
God, what?
We're going back outside.
Fanny's gonna be so proud of you.
Yeah.
All right, we're done. We're done. We're done.